Our 2022 Gabor Fall Collection is all about easy, gorgeous hair. With natural movement, modern styling, and ready-to-wear convenience that's priced just right, get ready to fall in love with the Gabor Fall Collection. Simply classic is as beautiful as it is timeless. This short boy cut is easy to wear and easy to style. With soft, all-over layers, you can wear it straight and sleek, tucked behind the ear, or amped up for maximum volume. It's a modern look that's simply classic. Bend the Rules is an irresistibly chic and shattered bob. With subtly textured layers throughout, this style is always ready to shake things up. Simply use your fingertips or a touch of product to add volume around the face for a more daring look. Take a chance and bend the rules. Unspoken is a light, airy, mid-length bob that's perfectly undone, perfectly flattering. Style the tapered layers away from the face or bring them forward to accentuate the eyes. The style is full of unspoken subtlety, but the result is unforgettable. No matter which style you choose, you're sure to fall in love with your hair over and over again when you choose the Fall 2022 Gabor Collection.